Hi, everyone. Welcome to Common Phrase of the Day. I wash my hands of it. The phrase I wash my hands of it means that someone is choosing to stop being involved in a situation or taking responsibility for it. It's a way to say, I'm done with this. I don't want to deal with it anymore. This expression is often used when someone feels the situation is out of their control or they no longer want to be associated with it. So here are some sentences. After so many arguments, I told them I wash my hands of it and let them figure it out on their own. The manager refused to listen to my ideas, so I said I wash my hands of it. He kept making bad decisions despite my advice. So I've washed my hands of the situation. This phrase is based on the literal act of washing one's hands to remove dirt, symbolizing removing oneself from responsibility. It's commonly used when someone is frustrated or has decided they no longer want to take part in something.